Hello students, this video is in continuation with my previous videos on effective personality, and in this video I will share with you some more tips to improve your personality. And first one is setting goals the right way. Students, I already told you that setting goal in early age is very important to be focused, to be directional and to be disciplined. Students, setting goal is the first step in turning invisible into the visible. Invisible means when you have goal in your head, and visible means when you convert your goals into reality. For that, students, you need to set some objective that how you can discipline yourself to achieve those goals. First, we should have the conviction that our goals are worthwhile, means our goals are important and they are really helpful for us. Then we should have the confidence that we have the capability to strive towards them, and then we should discipline ourselves to patiently strive towards them. Students, for example, if you dream to be an IAS officer or an university professor, then you need to adjust or discipline yourself according to these goals, and you need to develop some capabilities or strength to achieve those goals. Next is to improve your communication skills. Students, communication skill is very important to achieve your goal and to interact with the others. Communication skill include your voice, your pitch, modulation and ability to speak clearly, as only a decent attire or a pretty face would not always impress people. Students, you might have listened Narendra Modi ji, who has perfect modulation, and he impressed everyone with his voice, his pitch and modulation. Students, being able to express yourself confidently also matter a great deal. The way you speak reflect who you are. Be polite and gentle with your words. Use decent words while interacting with everyone. Always think before you speak. English, being globally accepted, is preferred everywhere. So work on your English proficiency by listening to English news, reading English newspaper and magazines. Always use simple word in general interaction. Do not avoid social interaction. Students, just because you feel you are not good looking, do not avoid meeting people. This is also one of the promising personality development tips, because by interacting people, your personality groom indirectly. Next tip for effective personality is dressing sense. Students, dressing sense means a general sense about how you should dress up for office, party or for any other occasion. For example, you can imagine if a girl go with lehenga to her office. It will not give a positive impression anyway. A person should therefore wear according to the situation and according to how well the attire suits him or her. Good looks no doubt will add to your personality, but what matters the most is how you are dressed up. Even a guy with a dark complexion can have a good personality if he knows how to carry himself. Dressing sense thus plays a major role in personality and confidence development. Next one is watch your body language. Students, body language plays an important role to judge a person's confidence and personality. Try to make use of positive gestures while interacting with others. This shows that you are at ease while having a discussion. Studies reflect that 75% of our communication happens non-verbally. Your gestures thus play a vital role while interacting with others. Accept that how you walk and how you sit will also reflect your personality. To boost your confidence, you need to walk fast and sit straight during meetings or while you are walking. Next is improve your social skills. Students, man is a social animal. Every individual has to interact with a group of people one time or the other. Being shy or introvert is the least desirable characteristics in any individuals. Always stay updated with the current affairs and what is happening in your society. This will give you some points to discuss with the others. Try participating in group discussions and seminars. This will help you to more open and adjust among a group of individuals. Only good looking will never be sufficient to take you forward in life or help you in your relationship with people. The more success one has in social sphere of life, the better you should feel about yourself. Students, next one is very important tip for an effective personality. Do what you are passionate about and be passionate about what you do. So, students, either make your passion into profession or make your passion in profession your passion. Students, always follow your passion and do what interests you. This will not only help you to grow as a person but will also add to your confidence. Be passionate about your work. Make sure that you give your best in whatever you do. This will add to your growth and strengthen your self confidence. Never miss a chance to prove yourself. Next is to know your positives. If every individual has his or her own limitations, then he or she always has positive. These positives are what you need to concentrate on. Know your strength, acknowledge them, and work with them. It would definitely take you into a long run. Students, success is not the key to happiness. Many people think that they will be happy when they will be successful. But students, you need to know that happiness is the key to success. Means if you work anything with full enthusiasm and happiness, you will surely be a successful person. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. So students, keep in mind success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Next is 12 leadership qualities. Students, a good leader is believed to have a good personality. Leadership skill do not mean how well you give orders to your subordinate. It means how well you can manage your subordinate to accomplish a particular task. Work harder to set an example to your subordinate. Express yourself and always do as you say. Come across as a leader. Whatever you learn and however little you know, use it well because an authority on whatever topic you tackle, then you have the knowledge to pass it on to others, and you if you put your message across in the right way, you will attract followers. Students, next very important tip for an effective personality is be optimistic. Means be positive and be energetic. Have a positive outlook towards everything. Nobody wants to be around a person who is negative and complaining all the time. Nobody wants to work or live with a pessimist person. When you face a failure, let go of the assumption that you are the unluckiest person alive. Use positive statement that I can do it. I always have a choice, etc. Expect good things from the future. Get out of your comfort zone. Students, be prepared to challenge yourself while learning new skills. For most people, it's a huge learning curve to start an online business. So, you must have a very positive, open minded attitude and embrace your any changes you need to make. For example, students, you often fear to come as a leader or to give presentation, but you need to come out of box and dare to speak anything in front of others. Don't fear failures. Don't worry about making mistake. You will make loads in your journey and a lot of them may hold you back for a while. But once you have made them, these methods can be eliminated and you can move on. So, students, be optimistic is an important personality trait. Then, be a patient listener. Students, you learn many things when you listen carefully. So, be an enthusiastic listener. Listening is a very essential part of communication. This will help you to see things from the eyes of the others and sometimes may have different opinion from the others. Mental presence is a must to be good listener. Try to get away from any possible distraction while talking to your family members, friends and co-worker. Ask questions to let them other person know that you are listening to him or her. Each person is unique. Remember that each person is different and has his or her unique characteristics and qualities. Comparing yourself with others around only increase the distress, especially when you start focusing on where you are lacking compared to others. It is important that you channelize your energy toward your positive traits. So never imitate anyone. Be the one which you are in actual and never pretend. So students, try to know that you are unique in this earth and you have to maintain your uniqueness and try to be good listener and try to listen other because other are also unique in this earth. Next is be a good learner. Students, I think we are learner throughout our life. Good learning skill in an individual are highly desirable. You should always have the zeal to learn new things while at work. This reflects your enthusiasm. Don't let yourself repeat the same mistake. Learn from them. Here is a famous quote by a Eleanor Roosevelt. Learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. Effective personality at a glance. So, students, to sum up, you need to keep in mind keep a smart head and keep cool. Don't copy anyone. Create own personal style. Don't doubt yourself. Be executive in your dressing sense. Don't shout or be aggressive. If you follow these words, you can be an effective personality. So, students, that's all. Thank you for listening. So, students, these were few tips to improve your personality. I hope these will help you to groom in a positive sense and do better in near future. So, thank you for listening.